Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Eurudite Academy. Today we will discuss about Hamlet. Hamlet is a play which is written by William Shakespeare. It is actually a tragedy. It is the longest play of the Shakespeare and it has 5 acts. Let's come to the characterization. Can you see the old king written in the picture? So this old king is actually the King Hamlet. Okay, can you see this word Hamlet? This is actually a Prince Hamlet. Okay, so old king is the father of Hamlet and Hamlet is the son of the old king. Okay, now come to the Gertrude. Gertrude is the mother of the Hamlet. Okay. Okay, old king and Gertrude both are husband and wife. After the death of the king Hamlet, Gertrude married with the Claudius. Can you see there Claudius? Okay. After the death of the old king, Gertrude married with the Claudius. Okay. Ophelia is a lover of the Hamlet and Polonius is the father of Ophelia and Laertes is the brother of Ophelia. So these are the major characters of Hamlet. So when the king Hamlet died, Prince Hamlet went to the Germany to complete his education. He went to Denmark in order to attend the funeral of his father. After that, Gertrude had married with Claudius. So now he had become the king. Who has become the king? Claudius has become the king. The play starts with Ghost. He appeared in this play 3 times. The ghost was first seen by Marcellus. Can you see Marcellus word over here? Okay. Second time the ghost was seen by Bernardo. And the third time the ghost was seen by Horatio. Actually this ghost was King Hamlet. Okay, so ghost revealed to the Prince Hamlet he had been killed by pouring poison in his ear by Claudius. Okay, Claudius married with the Gertrude. Gertrude was a wife of the old king. So here the ghost revealed to the Prince Hamlet that his father had been killed by pouring poison in his ear by Claudius. In this play, Hamlet pretended to be mad in order to test the ghost. So he organized play The Mousetrap and the Murder of Gonzago. He organized this play in order to see the reaction of Claudius. When the play was started, Claudius stood up without watching the play. Now Hamlet got to know that Claudius is a true murderer. After knowing the reality, Hamlet goes to kill Claudius, but he sees him praying to the god. Then Hamlet does not kill the Claudius. After that, Hamlet goes to talk to Gertrude. When they both are talking, so Polonius hides himself behind the curtain in order to overhear their talk. When Hamlet sees curtain moving to and fro, so he stabs Polonius. So now Polonius dies. When Claudius comes to know about the murder of Polonius, so he punishes Hamlet by exiling him to England. When Ophelia comes to know about father's death, she becomes mad and finally she dies by drowning. Laertes is the brother of Ophelia. So Laertes goes to Denmark in order to take revenge of his father and sister. So Laertes and Hamlet both fight together by sword. Lear's sword is poisoned by the Claudius because he wants to kill Hamlet. Unfortunately, when they both fight, their sword exchange, and Leartus is stabbed by his own poisoned sword, and at last he dies. Let me tell you that Hamlet is also wounded by that poisoned sword. So he is so sure that he would die. So he wants to stab Claudius from that poisoned sword. He is successful in doing so. He killed Claudius from that sword, but Gertrude also dies because she drinks poisonous wine. At the end, Hamlet also dies. So, this is a story of Hamlet. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.